This one looks bad, but it's not, I promise. We have an exponent for this 2, and I want to simplify the exponent before I think about it. So if I have 2 logs and they're being added together, what's the rule for that? I can make it 2 to just one of these logs, right? As long as I do what? I have to multiply the arguments, right? 5 times 6, so I get 30. So I can combine the 2 logarithms into one logarithm with the argument of 30 instead of 2 with the 5 and the 6. I just had to multiply the arguments. That's all I had to do. When you add, you multiply. When you subtract, you divide, which we usually represent as a fraction. But anyway, so we put them together, and we're saying, we have to think about what we're saying now. We have this 2, and we're raising it to an exponent. Well, what is a logarithm? A logarithm is an exponent, right? I hope you guys remember a logarithm is an exponent. And we're using it as an exponent. Okay, that seems, like I said, the same thing twice, right? We're using the logarithm, which is an exponent. We're using it as an exponent, which is kind of convenient, okay? Because it's supposed to be an exponent, and look, it actually gets to be an exponent because it's up there. And so we're saying, you know what? If I raise my base 2 to some exponent, I don't know what it is, but if I raise 2 to something, I will get my desired result of 30. And look, I'm raising 2 to that exponent. So I don't even care what the exponent is. I just know what I'm supposed to get. I'm supposed to get 30. So this equals 30. And I don't even care what the exponent was. I know that if I raise 2 to the 5th power, I get 32. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 32. That's close, but it won't be 5. It'll be a little bit less than 5. 4 point something, 4.9, I guess. Anyway, so remember the way we think about this. We're saying the logarithm says I have an exponent, and I'm going to raise 2 to that exponent, and I'm going to get 30. So if I actually do raise 2 to whatever that is, I should get 30, right? That's the main idea here. If you say, if these are the same, this 2 and this base, then I'm saying there's an exponent. If I raise 2 to it, I get 30. So I got 30 because I just raised 2 to whatever that is, and I don't even care what it is. I get 30. Okay? Is that clear, somewhat?